Hey, so I was recording this video on the indirect function to show you guys, and my computer crashed. I had not saved this Excel sheet that I was working on, and I realized that that is a problem that you might face too. So here's a very quick video on how to recover Excel files if you have forgotten to save them. Now, there are some things that you need to do first to make sure that your recovery is easier in the future, but then I'll get to how to actually recover the file. The first thing might be obvious, but it's a very good practice to turn on the autosave function on the top of your Excel sheet. The second thing that you want to do is go to the file section on your ribbon and click on options at the bottom left corner of your Excel sheet. You will have this Excel options window open up. Now go to the save section on your navigation panel and make sure that auto recovery is turned on. Now by default, Excel sets the autosave timer to 10 minutes, which means every 10 minutes it's going to save your Excel file. If you want, and I do recommend it, you can reduce the time to whatever is suitable to you. I think a save every 5 minutes should do the trick. If you are an Excel wizard and you deal with a lot of data and you work through it very quickly, you can reduce it to 2 minutes, 1 minute, whatever you like. Now, the next option is also very important. You want to keep the last auto-recovered version if you close the file without saving. This is what is going to allow you to recover the files in the future. Now, the last thing that you want to keep note of is where is this auto-recovered file saved on your computer. This is the location. You want to just copy that. And here is how you recover the actual file. What you want to do is go into the file explorer on your computer, go to the address bar and just paste in the value where your auto-recovered files are saved. Hit enter and you will get a list of all the recently auto-recovered files on your computer. So in this case, I want to auto-recover the indirect file. I'm going to quickly close out of this, go into the indirect folder, and now I can just double click to open the latest saved version of this file. Now there's a couple of things you need to keep in mind. One is that this is an auto recovered file, which means it's not your usual XLS or XLSX file. It's an XLSB file. So the best practice is to press F12 to save as and save a copy to wherever you need to save it to. And the second thing is that since it's saving every few seconds, it has multiple versions of the same file. You want to definitely sort by the date modified and make sure you're actually recovering the latest file and not some previous version of the file. Subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Now click here for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.